Hey up! Today's video is on me changing another fence post. I changed it up this time. I used chain instead of rope. Last time the rope was just stretching too much, made it really difficult to get it up. And if I was to do it again, I wouldn't use two jacks. I just use one jack, and then the other side just put bricks and stack up. It was kind of hard to balance it, and I had lots of times falling off, but I put those on there just so you can see. Anyway, hope you enjoy. Okay, so this fence post is loose and I'm going to replace it. So first I got to secure this up, then I can remove this, put the new one down and then mount it. So on with the project. Okay, my setup, garden spade, fence thing to get the soil up, two car jacks with various sizes of wood, a chain, changing it different this time. Last time I used rope, there was too much stretch and I didn't get all the pull, so I'm going with chain, sawzall, metal blade, and an extension cord, lead, whatever way you pronounce it. So hopefully that'll be all the tools I need to get the fence post up. Okay, so I've dug down to the top of the cement because that's where the post will be rotten at. That way I can put the bolt in. Okay, so the edge of the post is from here to here, so I'm going to go about here and just put a screw in. Now to set up the jack. Perfect. Okay, so that's an hour and 5 minutes, so it's easy to do. Okay, so that took an hour and 5 minutes, not long at all. I'm kind of happy with that method now. Anyway, let that set, and tomorrow put the hardware on and screw it to the fence. Anyway, thank you for watching.